In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deposit money in Tradingview. We'll walk through connecting your broker so you can fund a live trading account, and then I'll show you how to add money to a paper trading account for practice. I'll keep things clear and straightforward so you know exactly what to expect. Start by logging into Tradingview and opening a chart. At the right of the chart window, you'll see the trading panel. If it's minimized, click to expand it. This panel is where live broker connections and paper trading are managed. Next, choose your broker from the list in the trading panel. You'll see several supported options, such as Oanda, Black Bull, or 8cap. Depending on availability in your region, click your broker and log in to connect. This step links your Tradingview workspace with your brokerage account so you can see your balance and place orders directly from the chart. If your broker prompts you to confirm the connection, follow that on-screen flow. Your credentials are handled by the broker, not Tradingview. Now, let's talk about funding. Deposits aren't handled inside Tradingview. Instead, you'll add money through your broker's website or app. Most brokers support bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and other regionally supported payment methods. Choose the method that suits you best. Complete the deposit on the broker's side and give it a moment to process. Processing times can vary by method and by broker, and some deposits may only reflect after your bank posts the transaction. Once your broker processes the deposit, return to the Tradingview trading panel. Your updated balance will appear there next to your connected broker account. If you just finished a deposit and don't see the change immediately, refresh the chart or give the broker a bit more time to update. The balance you see in the panel reflects what your broker has confirmed. If you want to practice without risking real money, you can add funds to a paper trading account. Open the trading panel and select paper trading from the list. In the account summary row, click the three-dot menu to open the options. Choose Reset Paper Trading Account. Then enter the new balance you want to practice with. This is a great way to test strategies and get comfortable with the Tradingview interface, since it does not affect any real funds. That's all there is to it. Connect your broker, fund through your broker's platform, and watch your balance update inside Tradingview. And for risk-free practice, use the paper trading reset to set the balance you need.